Hey guys, I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed today. Today I am trying to figure out how I'm going to make me a chip stand. I want something that is on the actual wall. I didn't want something that was that you have to have a table and all that stuff. So I thought of right there. I'm going to figure it out. What I did was I looked on YouTube and I seen a couple DIYs, but I'm kind of going to change it up a little bit. I'm gonna try this cooling rack, and when I seen it, I was like, "Oh my God, a cooling rack seems so heavy." The good thing about it is the one from the Tree, which I got all these items from the Dollar Tree. It's not super heavy, which is an excellent thing. And then I thought, if I hang it up on a wall, I know it's gonna make a big mess on the wall. So I figured some kind of way I'm gonna do something with this self adhesive. I'm not going to tape this on the wall because I do not want this to be stuck to the wall, and then when it's time to come down, all the paint come off. Some kind of way, your girl thinking something. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out though, and when I figure it out, I'm gonna come to you. But you gotta have these items, and then I also thought of using some twine. And you're going to need some, if you do use a twine, whichever way to go, you need a hammer. And then I also got some of these clothespins. I figure I can hang the chips with them. See, over here, what I did was one of my DIY projects long time ago. I used some clothespins and I spray painted them and I put diamonds on them. So that is what I'm going to do with these. Just give them a little extra on. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm about to cut this open, this twine. Like I said, I got this from Dollar General. I'm gonna see if they are circles. So hold on one second. Okay, so I found out that it's not circles. I thought it was circles. I see that it is string. I could use it. We'll see though, but I don't think I want to use this brown. I'm not feeling this brown right here, so. My pup is over there chilling, being a good girl. Hey, boo. Hey, baby. We had a really good time today. We went to the Home Depot and all kinds of stuff, and she was a good girl too. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm about to go and hammer these nails, and I'm only gonna be using, y'all, I got 4, but I'm trying to use as least as possible. Like for real, I don't want a bunch of holes in my wall, making a bunch of mess. So again, I'm gonna try to use 2. Once I get it up, I come back. And guys, I can already tell me putting it up. I love how lightweight it is, but I can already tell it can scrape up the wall. So that's why I told you guys put something behind it, whatever you want. You could put usually have like some glitter paper. You can use glitter paper. You can use whatever you want. But I'm gonna try to use this, and I'm gonna attach this to the wall. And the good thing about it is I like how I got these little imprints, so I am able to. It's not gonna touch the wall like specifically, but again, do something so it won't mess up your wall. And even if I wanted to, guys, I could have gotten 2. I didn't realize that, but whatever you get 2 so I can cover it, okay? And guys, you know the DIY and me. I forgot I had some of these. You can get these from Michael's. I'm gonna set some up so I can, again, make it like a backdrop so it won't mess up the wall. I'm gonna take this tape and tape this together and make sure it's not too big for this. Like, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this together and I'm gonna figure out, I haven't figured out yet how I'm going to attach this to this. So once I get that figured out, I'll come back. So again, like I said, I want it to be I want it to sit like this. So I'm gonna figure out how to make it sit like this. And then I'm gonna have free chips right there. Like I said, I do not want to put a bunch of holes in the wall. So once I come back, I'll let you guys know how I did it. Like I said, you can use any background you want, okay? That's what's so fun about doing your own DIYs. Like I said, I'm gonna turn those clothespins to silver, and they're gonna be even cuter too, with some little diamonds on them. Make it yours. And I'm saving so much more money. I had looked on Amazon how much chip holders cost and stuff. It was so crazy, so crazy. I'm a DIY and me got on YouTube as well as put my own thoughts together and was like, okay, go to the Dollar Tree, okay? Oh yeah, FYI, the Dollar Tree is 125 now too. Everybody going up. Okay, so I'm gonna take some clear tape and I'm just gonna put it right behind there and right here and right here and right there so I can hold this together first. Okay? Get you some clear tape. And again, don't forget to put this wherever you tape it, make sure it's, long enough. Okay? For this also. And I am using this tape, this T-Rex. I love the T-Rex clear tape. Hey, baby, hey, get back, mama, get back. Okay, so take it and then just round it out like this. And then you just put, excuse me, baby, excuse me. You just put it right there. And see, now it's nice. And I'm gonna put one right here too, just to keep it together. And that's as long as, that's my backdrop. Can you see it? That's gonna be the backdrop. And another thing I've got to tell y'all too, they got like plastic on here if you want, and it's sticky. You don't even have to add the tape. I don't know though, cause sometimes this tape don't be sticking to glitter. Let's see how it's doing. Let me see, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna peel half of the back off because it's sticky and the back of it in place. Okay, so let's see if this glitter sticks. See, this glitter background don't stick to a lot of things. Let's pull this down just to be on the safe side because I do not want this to attach to my wall by no means. So guys, I just poured it over and now it's all covered and I don't got to worry about this sticking to my wall, messing it up. And I'm going to take them same tape and just put it right there because it's going to hold that down. So that tape was not in vain. And again, that's just this background that you be having like from the dollar store. So there we go. Nice. That was smart. I didn't even think about that. And it's sticking perfect. Okay, so now what I'm about to do is I'm actually about to, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. And what I do want to do before I hang this, I want to see how the chips look on here. So let's see. Okay, here's the clothespins. Again, I got from Dollar Store. Like I said, I'm going to turn these silver like the ones I showed you earlier that I've done. But for now, I'm going to just try it. I'm going to set this up. I'm going to see how do I like how this set up, okay? Okay, all right, I'm liking it. See, this is what we're going for. I'm going to only put 6 up there, okay? So let's go ahead and figure that out. I'm going to attach it. Okay, so I figured out if I wanted to do it like this, all I did was took these clips. You can take a couple of clips. Again, like I said, they're going to be cute. You make them pretty, make these clips pretty, and you can attach it that way. And then we can attach it to the wall. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some nails, and I'm going to nail it right there, right in the corner. So I don't got to nail it a whole bunch. So let me go ahead and do that. Use your, like a pencil or anything. So if you got to see where you're going to sit it, okay? Because once you start hammering, that's it. We ain't finna be having 2 and 3 holes in the wall. God is good. That could have been my toe or my pup toe. So thank God that did not. God is good. So please make sure you pay attention to where the hammer sit. I don't know if you just heard that, but the hammer fell. Get back, Buddha. Rain, go back to your house. Thank you. That's why I always tell them to sit at her house. So I'm going to just make sure this is even before I put it in there. And always make sure, guys, you get a stud too, that you hit a stud in the wall so you can make sure it hang right. I got a nice stud. Okay, so y'all see how we got that? We'll add just a little bit more. Okay. And we don't even gotta have these clips here if you don't want the clips. You can move these clips, but if you want to have extra security that you know it ain't going nowhere, I say go ahead and just leave your clips on there. And the good thing about it is if you do have to like fix this on your wall, it's easy versus putting tape. Okay, the good thing about it, like I said, you don't gotta put tape or nothing like that. You ain't gonna mess with the wall. Just only use 2 screws. Okay, so let me go ahead and put up the chips. And like I said, this is just temporary because I'm actually going to turn these again silver with some little diamonds on them. But this is just for now. Just so my client tomorrow can have access to some chips. If she wants some chips, they got all kind of little clippies. These come real cute. But like I said, I'm going to be doing my own. Like I'm going to make them real cute. See, again, like I said, now I don't got to worry about my wall getting messed up, because you'll be amazed how your wall gets so messed up. So let me go ahead, guys, and put these up, and I'll come right back. And this is good for parties, whatever, however you want to hang some chips, okay? Okay, guys, and look what's so nice is I can just use this if I want to, and just open it up like this. And then I got me some more clips. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take these down myself, especially like for kids and stuff. And I was also thinking of possibly getting a bubblegum machine, but God, I'm thinking is the bubblegum machine will be for me or for them. So we might wait on the bubblegum machine. And I want to be able to have it kind of higher, so again it won't spray. Oh, and then the good thing about it, you can also, I didn't even realize, you can also utilize the sides, clip it from the side, you can clip it from the front, however you want to. So you know, when you on video, things can't be acting right. You know, it's not that crazy when you're on video. So look, if you want to, we can go a little higher. I'm just showing you how you got access to go higher also. And like I said, I'm gonna be taking the chips off just so I don't gotta worry about no nothing. See, and there you go, guys. I came up with a chip bag that you can hang on the wall because I didn't want nothing on the ground. And guys, you most definitely can have more than 6 chips. And if you want something that's like like that you want to put on a shelf, you can buy one of those. It's like a cup holder. I just attached the video so you can see how you can attach it if you want it to be on like the shelf or something like that. Okay. Okay, guys, I am done. And I also added me a little free chip so people will know the chips are free. And like I said, if you need it to be longer, you can always buy more racks, get you a better background and all that good stuff. So if this helped you, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know how I got this, all you got to do is just print out, like take a screenshot or something. If you got a printer at home, just print it out. I got a color printer. Or if you don't got a color printer, go to Staples or something. And there you have it. And you can frame it if you want, but I ain't doing all that. And I didn't put no tape or nothing behind that because like I said, I don't want this to mess up my wall. You see it? Like I said, I didn't put no tape behind this because I didn't want this to mess up my wall. And here we go. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Okay, bye guys. Okay, hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed. I wanted to just show you real quick because I wanted to show you how I did my label because I told you I was going to show you. I actually went to UPS and they laminated it. So this is how I got it. So I didn't have to worry about, again, it staining the wall because I was afraid with it being blue it would stain the wall. I didn't want to do nothing crazy to the wall. So there we go. I laminated it and I don't got to worry about it getting messed up. So if you are looking for lamination, you can go to UPS or you can buy your own lamination. sheets. I did buy my own laminated sheets too because I seen a trick on um, the internet how to do it with the iron versus have to purchase your own lamination machine. But to be honest with you, I probably would still just keep going to UPS because that was quick, that was easy, because you know you gotta lay these right. But loving them. Okay. Okay, just real quick, wanted to show you guys the finally finished product. I've been super busy. Totally forgot they was even in the garage until I went in there, my little clippy. So here we go. I put some little diamonds on them, and I painted them purple. So again, you can paint them whatever color you want. Hopefully that helps you out. This is my wall DIY chip rack. And if you want to have more, you can always just add more racks and all that good stuff. Okay? Be blessed, guys. And please don't forget to let me know if you do make this. Subscribe, rate, and comment. Bye.